Hi guys, I'm Ankit. In this video, we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Longest substring without repeating characters. So given string is find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. What do you mean by substring? Substring is nothing but it can be a part of a string or the entire string. So if we take the first example, ABC, ABC, BB, then ABC can be a substring, ABC, AB can be a substring, CBB can be a substring. So you can observe the characters in the contiguous order, they can all together be a substring. But one condition, one constraint what they have told is we have to find the length of the longest substring but without repeating characters. So you cannot take A, B, C, A where A are repeating. So A, B, C can be a one substring. Then if you see A, B, C, another A, B, C here is a substring. C, A, B is a substring. So max length of substring which you can observe in this given question is 3. So you have to return 3 as the answer. So we will, with this example, we'll see how do we solve the problem. So I'll take the string first. It's nothing but A, B, C, A, B, then CBB. So what we'll do is we'll have a hash map. We call hash map in Java or not ordered map in C++. So we will have a map so that is made up of characters, comma, integer. This character represents a character in the string and integer. This value represents key is character and value is nothing but the position at which they are occurring. This character. So if I write the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I say a comma 0, then b comma 1, c comma 2, again a get upgraded to 3. So like this you'll be doing it. So okay, so character and key and value. Key is character, value is nothing but the position at which that particular character is present. So we'll have hash map and we'll have one maximum length variable. We need to have it. So we'll have two pointers here. Okay, so one is left and there is right pointer. Let initially both be pointing to the first position. So if in case left is pointing at this position, right is pointing at C, then right minus left, how much? 2 minus 0, 2 plus 1. So right minus left plus 1, if you do that will give you the length. So we are having two pointers to find the length of the substring what we have currently. So as I said, if right is pointing at C, that is 2 position, left is pointing at 0th position, 0 plus 1 means equal to 3. So this is the length of the substring, is it? Is it not? Yes. So we'll have two pointers, left and right. Initially check whether, and this right pointer is each loop will be running for loop where each time it will be incrementing. So first check whether this A is present in map or not. If it is not present in map, that is okay. If it is present in map, you have to check. So since A is not present in map, we'll insert that into the hash map. What is the, as I said, so it will be stored as A comma 0. A is the character and the position at which it's present. Now once you're done with this, next again move the right pointer ahead. Whether B is present in map? No. Again B, insert B with the position. Again move pointer ahead, right pointer. Why are we not moving the pointer left? Because as I said, right minus left plus 1. We are having two pointers to get the substring. Till now we have not encountered any repeating character because A is different, B is different. Now we come to C also. Yes, C is not being encountered in the hash map. Before you insert it, you have to check whether C is present in hash map or not. No, it is not present. Just insert C and the position at which it is present. Next again you move the pointer ahead. So now right is pointing to the character A. Now check whether A is present in hash map. Yes. And one more thing which you need to notice is not only we have to check either A is present in hash map or not. One more thing we have to check is whether that particular position at which A is present already in the hash map, is it greater than left, greater than or equal to left pointer? Only then it belongs to the given substring, right? If in case, let's say instead of A you had uh, E here and A here, okay? So in this case A will be 0, E will be 1, B will be 2, C will be 3. Again you encounter A. Yes, it is present in hash map A comma 0. But is it within the substring? If in case left is pointing here. No, it is not within the substring left to right. So one more what you have to check is, first of all you have to check whether the given character is present in hash map. If it is present, then you have to check if it is within the bounded length of substring. That is greater or equal to the left pointer. That means it is present in the uh, substring case. So we'll have A over here. Okay, now yes, now A is bounded with the substring. No? So what we have to do? That means this A we have to check this and move the pointer ahead. Next, so what we do is if you find the character A in the hash map and also the position at which the character A is present is greater than or equal to the left pointer, that means if it is within the substring, then we have to move the pointer to left plus 1. Why left plus 1? Not left plus 1. The position at which A is present plus 1. So position at which A is present is 0. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. The pointer will move to 1. So left will move to this position now. B. And your right pointer. Now again insert this A. And once you are done with it, we have to insert this A and the correct position, right? So now the position will get updated to 3 here. Okay. Again move the pointer ahead. B. Whether B is present in map? Yes, it is. Let's say before to B, we have E, okay? Sorry. Yeah, we have E over here. So let this be. I'll just erase this. A, E, B. Okay, let's say pointer is pointing to this and we have another pointer pointing over here. Now, whether B is present in hash map? Yes, it is present in hash map. This is present in position 0, 1, 2 actually. This will become 3. Okay. And one more thing, what we have to notice is left is pointing here initially. And one more thing what you have to notice is whether it is within the substring left and right. Yes. This time as I said left plus 1 you have to increment. Where is left pointing to? Here. Not left plus 1. The position at which B is present plus 1. So B is present here plus 1 till here. Though the left is pointing at the first position, you have to increment it to the B plus 1 only because B is a repeating character which you have found. Okay, so increment this to this position. And one more, so once you increment this, so yeah, we have to update B to 4 now. So I'll just write it. Okay, so B left is pointing here, right is pointing at this position. That is here. Is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I had taken E is because to tell you the example, like you will be having pointer left here, but you will be incrementing B plus 1. Why? Because B is occurring here. So from the position at which B is occurring plus 1 position we have to increment. That is the reason. Now currently the A is pointing at 3, rightmost, B is 4 and C is, you can see, that is yet to be found. Okay. Actually I had missed A, B, C here. Maybe. Yeah. It's okay. Let's say C is not yet occurred. Okay, fine. Now move the pointer ahead. And one more thing which I forgot, the main major thing was each time you have to find the max length. Max length. What is max length? As I said, it will be maximum of max length comma right minus left plus 1. Each in the loop, each time you have to find that. So here only you might have got the, now currently max length is 2 because right minus left plus 1 will be 2. Okay. And here you will have encountered max length as 3. So max length will be 3 actually. Then here AB. So once you encounter C, so C is at not present in hash map, insert that. C is at position 5, max length will be 3 only. Next again move the pointer ahead. Now you could see B, which is already present in hash map, but left is pointing at A. But B plus 1 is a position which you have to increment the left. So left will point to C now. Now B will be incremented to 6 and then move ahead pointer 7 again where B is already present, so it should be incremented to 7 and the left will point to B plus 1. Left and right will point to the same position now. So this is the approach to solve the problem. I'll explain the logic both in C++ and Java. So let's initialize a character map. Okay, and let n be equal to s dot length. After this, we need to have two pointers. Left equal to 0. Then run the for loop with right equal to 0, right less than n, and right plus plus. Let's store the current character. Okay, current character equal to s of right, where the right is pointing here. You could say every time the right is getting incremented, left is getting incremented only if it is found that this particular character is present in map. Then check if um, character map dot find of s of current character, right? Current character is not equal to end. It's not pointing to the end of the hash map. Then that particular character is present in the hash map. And one more condition is you have to check whether it's greater or equal to left. So character map of current character, if it is greater than or equal to left, then what should be did? If it is present, you have to move the pointer. Right will be equal to character map of current character plus 1. And also you have to insert that particular position key value to the hash map every time. So how do we insert it? So character map of current character that will be equal to the position where right is pointing. And each time you have to find the max length, that will be equal to max of max length, comma, right minus left plus 1. So at last return the max length. And we didn't initialize the max length variable actually. Let's initialize it to 0. So shall run this. Max length, okay. Why is it giving wrong answer? This length equal to right, then you initialize it to right. You found a character, okay, left should be incremented to current character. Yeah, position it with the character is present plus 1, not the right. Yeah, yes. And for Java, we'll see the logic. So as I said, we initialize the hash map, max length, left pointer pointing to the beginning, right pointer also start from the beginning, current character you store it. So once you store, you check whether that particular key is present in the map. If it is present and the position at which the current character is present is greater or equal to left, that means it is under being under substring. So that means we have to increment the left pointer to the position at which the current character is present plus 1. Similarly, you find the max length each loop, and also you have to insert the current character and the position at which that particular character is present. So we shall submit this. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with other video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.